Welcome everyone to Arbistar 2.0. I'm your host, Crypto Bren. I hope everyone's having a great day today. On today's video, I'm going to be helping you set up your Bitfinex exchange, how to get verified, how to set up your two-factor authentication, and to find your APIs to sync to your personal bots. The first thing you guys need to do, you need to make sure that your URL says this, it's secured, has a lock right there, and it's www.bitfenix.com. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, guys, is come in here and sign up. First thing you guys need to do in the setup is create your own username, your email address, password, confirm your password, and select your time zone. Alright, when you've done that, go ahead and open up an account. It'll bring you to a page that says, welcome to Bitfinex. And what you need to do is confirm your email. So when you've signed up, congratulations and welcome to Bitfinex. The last step is to confirm your email address. We've sent a confirmation email to your specific email. Please follow the link in that email to confirm your email address, and then you'll be able to sign in to your new account. If you haven't received the email in 5 minutes, please check the following. Check if you have used the correct email, check your spam folder, or contact us from bitfenix.com/support. You're going to go into your email and it should look like this. You're going to confirm that email, bring you to a new tab. Now you need to log in. Log in with either your username or your email and put in your password and go ahead and log in. Welcome to Bitfinex. Alright, so now what you need to do is read the terms of service and scroll all the way down and accept the terms and conditions. If you have read understood, say yes, I agree to the terms and service. Please indicate below and submit. Alright, now once you've done that, welcome to your trading site here with Bitfinex. Now what we need to do is verify your account. You're going to scroll over here to manage account, the little icon right there, and you're going to go down to verification. Once you've clicked on verification, it'll bring you to another page. And now we need to verify your account. So you need to click on begin verification. So once you have done that, guys, you're going to need to verify your account. So if you wish to deposit or withdraw US dollar, euros, or other fiat currencies, your account must be verified to comply with the relevant anti-money laundering, AML, and counterterrorism financing, CTF, laws and regulations. Bitfinex has adopted an online verification procedure which will require you to complete an online questionnaire and attach certain documents on as supporting evidence. You will also need to download, sign, and upload a declaration form confirming the accuracy to the information provided and authorizing Bitfinex to verify the information. Go ahead and click on begin verification when you guys are ready. Alright, the next thing you need to do is select your country here and go ahead and click all these boxes here, what you want to do within this exchange, and then click continue. Once you have done that, you're going to need to either you're starting a business with this exchange or an individual exchange. So you're going to select individual if it's just you, and the next step is verifying your account, making sure that you complete the form. You're at least 18 years of age, all the information that you will need to supply for the verification process, and just go ahead and read all these of the formats that they need, a PNG, PDF, zip file, all that good stuff, and go ahead and continue with the verification here. Alright, the next page we're going to be here, more of your personal information, your contact information. This is where you live and your identity right here. Alright, so your basic information, guys, your name, your address, your country you live, your zip code, all that good stuff, and just some basic contact information with your email, and go ahead and enter to the next step. Alright, so once you guys have filled in your number, your contact information, now we need to click the next tab and to verify your address. Once you've verified all this information, you need to go back to your identity. And this will show you the different documents you can upload, your passport, your ID, and just go ahead and click which ones you're going to upload, so your identification card or your passport, and enter that information down below. Attach the file right here on what file you want to use, and once that's complete, guys, you need to scroll down and basically take care of all the information that it asks for. Okay, if you have any problems, go ahead and contact support. And they have some check marks here on what is accepted of, with your mailing address, you need to have a proof of your mailing address. So basically, you need to have mail at least 90 days old or before. Anything after 90 days, they will not accept it. Make sure you have the correct information from your mail to your information that you enter into the platform, okay? So just go ahead and read all this. I know it's in Spanish, but this is a voiceover. So go ahead and just read the information and you guys should be fine. Pretty self-explanatory. And right here is what is not accepted. Okay. All right. So once we do that, guys, we need to upload a picture of yourself. So this is your identity to make sure that you are who you say you are. So get a piece of paper, write Bitfinex on it, write the date, the year, the day, and the month. Have your passport or your identification card or your driver's license here with your face. Make sure you're not covering up any information there, along with your face in the background. So you need to take a picture of yourself that looks exactly like this, okay? And it'll have steps on what you need to do, what's necessary, and what is not necessary below. All right, so the next thing is your financial information here. Go ahead and click on that button. Fill out the necessary information here for you guys and make sure that's all correct. And you guys should be good to go through that verification process. So once that's all complete, guys, you guys should be good to go. Bring you back to the main page here on the exchange. And now we need to set up your Google Authenticator. So your two-factor authentication. So now you need to set up security. All right, so click on security right there. And it'll bring up the two-factor authentication. You should have your email encrypted. You should have your verification, your documents, your pictures uploaded, your proof of address, all that good information. And now we're going to set up your two-factor authentication. Okay, so click on two-factor authentication. They have a different option here, FIDO U2F, but we're going to use Google Authenticator right here to set it up. All right, so to enable two-factor authentication, what you need to do, the first step is to download the Google Authenticator app from your Android or iOS device. If you need help getting started, please see Google's support page. If you do not have access to the Play Store or Apple Store, there are other options for getting Google Authenticator. On Android, download Google Chrome plugin or iTunes App Store. Okay, so the first step you need to do is scan the QR code. You need to open up your phone, click on picture, and what you're going to do is take a picture of this QR code. It'll auto-populate for you, and you're just going to enter the token code that it populates in your Google Authentication app. Just put in your two-factor authentication token here, and just click on Enable. All right, so for security, this is your backup key, guys. So go ahead and copy this number, take a screenshot, and save it in your documents. And make sure you hold on to that. So if anything happens to your exchange or your phone, you'll have this backup key to get back into your exchange. So once you've done that, guys, you set up the two-factor authentication. Now you need to go back to your email. There's some action required to activate your 2FA through your email as well, okay? So go ahead and activate token 2FA now. Bring you back to the page and it'll say Google Authentication two-factor authentication is activated. So that sums it up for Arbistar 2.0, how to activate your account, get registered, verified, and set up your Google Authentication. Now we're going to dive into how to get your API keys. All right, so what we need to do now, guys, is come here into API, click on that, and what you're going to do is you're going to create a new key. Make sure that you check mark these, that they can read your exchange and they can write right here, okay, from your wallets, your margin funding, margin trading, orders, account history, and your account info. Once you have done that, go ahead and generate an API key. You're going to get your two-factor security check. So you go to your 2FA on your Google Authenticator and enter the token. Once you have done that, now you need to go back to your email. There's some action required from you to verify that you're creating a new API key. So click on the email from Bitfinex, scroll down, and go ahead and click on Create API Key. Once you have done that, it'll say API Key successfully created. Now you have your API keys. So now we need to log into Arbistar 2.0, go down to Personal Bot Access, open up the Bitfinex, and now enter your API key. You need to copy the API key, paste it in here into the Arbistar platform. Now go back to Bitfinex, copy the API secret key and paste it in there as well. And go ahead and go down there and save. API synchronization should have a green check mark there. And go ahead and check that on to green. And now you should be able to have your APIs synced up to Arbistar's personal bot. Now that completes exchange setup, how to set up your APIs, guys. If you guys have any questions, please leave it down in the comments below. And please reach out to me, like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you and have a great day.